Welcome to the Go Big with Gib podcast, where we talk to professionals, business owners, and entrepreneurs about their big wins. Stop Googling. Start thinking bigger. How to use AI the right way. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to this episode of Go Big with Gib. Let me start with this. If you're using AI like Google search, you're using it wrong. AI is not a better search engine. It's not faster Google, and it's not a place to ask random questions. AI is a thinking partner, a strategy engine, a decision-making tool. And when you treat it like Google, you miss the entire advantage. Here's how most people use Google. They ask one question, they skim a few links, they piece together an answer. Google gives you information, AI gives you judgment. Google answers, "What is this?" AI answers, "Given your goals, your constraints, and your risk tolerance, here's the smart move and why." That's not search, that's leverage. If you own a business, stop thinking of AI as a tool. Think of it as a junior executive that never sleeps, a strategist that pressure tests your ideas, a process builder that documents everything. AI doesn't just retrieve data, it connects dots. It challenges assumptions. It helps you think 3 steps ahead. That's why it's superior. Let's get practical. This is where AI destroys Google. Instead of Googling, "How do I onboard an employee?" ask AI, build a step-by-step onboarding system that reduces mistakes and gets a new hire productive fast. You're not researching, you're building infrastructure. Google can't think with you. AI can. You can say, "Here are 3 options I'm considering. Compare risk, upside, and long-term consequences." That's executive level thinking on demand. AI is incredible at getting what's in your head onto paper. Messy thoughts, bullet points, half-formed ideas. You say, "Turn this into a clear SOP my team can follow." That's how you scale without losing control. Instead of asking Google, "Is this a good idea?" ask AI, "Stress test this plan as if you were a skeptical CFO." You don't want validation, you want clarity. Here's the truth. Most people are using AI like a toy. The winners are using it like a co-founder. Better questions lead to better answers. Better answers lead to faster execution. That's how businesses separate. Here are a few prompts you can steal today. Act as a seasoned business strategist. What am I not seeing that could materially impact my results? Create a repeatable SOP that can be delegated with minimal supervision. Compare these options and rank them by risk, upside, and long-term leverage. Audit how I spend my time and tell me what to eliminate, automate, or delegate. If I choose this path, what are the unintended consequences 6 to 12 months from now? Here's the takeaway. Stop Googling your way through business. Start thinking bigger. AI isn't here to replace your judgment. It's here to sharpen it. Use it right and you'll move faster, make better decisions, and build a business that doesn't depend on you being everywhere. That's how you go big. Thanks for listening to Go Big with Gib. I'll see you next time. Thank you for listening to this episode of Go Big with Gib. If you haven't already, go follow us on social media at Gib Irons. We'll see you next time.